In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retract a report in Expensify. If you've submitted an expense report and realize something needs to be corrected, maybe a receipt is missing, a category is wrong, or you picked the wrong policy, retracting it pulls the report back from the approval queue so you can make changes before resubmitting. Start by signing in and heading to the home screen in the new Expensify interface. From here, we'll move straight to the section where all your expense reports live. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This is your hub for anything you've created or submitted, and it's the quickest way to get a bird's eye view of report statuses like open, submitted, approved, and reimbursed. In the Reports area, locate the report you want to take back. If you have a long list, consider using the search bar or filters to narrow things down by date, report type, or status so you don't retract the wrong one. It's a good idea to double check the report title, total amount, and submission date to make sure you're opening the exact report you intend to change. Click the report to open its detail view. You should now see the full breakdown of expenses, attachments, and the approval flow. At the top right of this page, look for the More menu. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a button with the word More or an icon with additional options. Click that to reveal actions specific to the report you're viewing. Select Retract from the menu. If the report is still pending approval, you'll be able to proceed. If you don't see the Retract option, it usually means the report has already been approved, closed, or reimbursed, or your policy settings restrict retraction. In those cases, you can reach out to your admin or approver to discuss next steps. When prompted, confirm that you want to retract the report. After confirmation, the report is returned to your drafts or open state, and it's removed from the approver's queue. This is your chance to make updates, attach missing receipts, fix categories or tags, adjust amounts, or add explanations in the comments. Be thorough here. Clean, accurate reports move through approval faster. Once you've made your corrections, review the report summary one more time for accuracy and policy compliance, then submit it again for approval. That's it. You've successfully retracted a report in Expensify, made your edits, and set it back on the right path. If you run into any issues, verify the report status and policy permissions, and you'll be good to go.